Type. He types very fast. Kick. He kicks the ball with great force. Iron. He likes to iron her clothes. Water. He waters the plants every morning. Sew. She sews a new dress. Scream. They scream in fear. Massage. She massages his shoulders. Skip. She skips happily in the yard. Sweep. She sweeps the floor every day. Peel. She peels the apple. Plant. They plant trees every weekend. Whisper. She whispered a secret to her friend. Pour. He is pouring water into the glass. Point. He is pointing at the whiteboard. Shave. The barber shaves him carefully. Dry. She dries her hair. Whistle. He loves to whistle while walking. Speak. They speak loudly. Slip. He slips on the wet floor. Pray. He prays every morning. Ride. She rides a white horse. Roar. The tiger roars loudly. Announce. He announces the winner. Serve. The waiter serves food at the restaurant. Guide. She guides the children through the path.